Unboxing. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Funko Die-cast. Let's start with Captain America. The Funko is well protected with thick styrofoam and paper wrapped on the Captain America box. This is 2021 Summer Convention Limited Edition Funko Pop. Wow. Very impressed with the extra protection inside the Funko box. Let's check out the Funko Pop. The Funko Pop is so beautiful. It is not the usual vinyl figurine. The figurine is made of steel. It is heavy and attached to a pop base with 2 screws. On top of that, it can be inserted and securely lock the pop on the elevated base. This will prevent the Funko Pop from slipping off. As mentioned earlier, it is heavy. This Captain America weighs 540 grams. A normal vinyl Funko Pop with box weighs around 90 to 200 grams. This Funko Die-cast is more than 2 times heavier than the vinyl Funko Pop. If you like this Captain America, please smash the like and subscribe button before we move on to Iron Man. The Iron Man is latest release among these 3. Similar as Captain America, this Iron Man is nicely packed in thick styrofoam protection. The acrylic case has the Funko box details printed on the inner case, so the surface of the outer case feels smooth. How not to be in love with this Iron Man? The paint job on the metal steel is perfect. Every details are so precise. Has a secure lock TP prevented from slipping off. It's heavy too. Let's check the weight. Iron Man weighs 505 grams. It is lighter than Captain America, which weighs 540 grams. Please smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing of Captain America and Iron Man we have shared. Next up will be Batman. Funko Die-cast. Number 3 is Batman, a Funko exclusive pop. The acrylic case is well protected from any cracks during the delivery. This Batman is extremely glossy in comparison to Captain America and Iron Man. The finishing is too amazing. Let's lock it securely to the pop base. This Batman is one of our favorite. The weight of this Batman is 519 grams. It's heavier than Iron Man but lighter than Captain America. Please smash the like and subscribe button if you love the unboxing we share. Leave in the comment below which die-cast do you like the most. We love to hear from you. Till then, happy toy collecting.